Hello, what's going on guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Today we'll be doing something a little bit different. I know I've been talking a lot about the stock market and my investing tips for you guys, but I do still want to talk about technology, and although this isn't really technology, it does have to do with it because if you've seen the title for this video, it is an Apple Watch band unboxing. So still kind of in the tech world, and I just want to unbox this for you guys because it is a super cool watch band for the Apple Watch. Now before we jump into this unboxing, if you guys are new to my channel, I want to invite you guys right now to subscribe to my channel. I will be doing a $50 gift card giveaway once my channel hits 100 subscribers, and we're halfway there, so let's keep it going, guys. Also, if you enjoy this content, make sure to smash that like button. And if you do hit that subscribe button, make sure to hit that bell icon as well so you don't miss any of the future videos that I'll be posting. Now with all that out of the way, let's jump right into this unboxing. Okay guys, so this is the Apple Watch braided loop that they announced last September with the new Apple Watch Series 6. I got the 44mm version in Inverness green. They have 4 other colors, which are charcoal, pink, blue, and red. I like the green, and these do run for $99, so they are quite pricey. I did have an Apple gift card which I used towards it, so that made it a little more bearable, but these are expensive, and you can find some fairly good quality third-party versions of these on sites like Amazon. So as always, the Apple packaging is nice and easy. There's a little pull tab right here, making it nice and easy to get into this. And then just pull this open, and a little Apple Watch logo here, and then shows you how to take it off and put the new band on. Little instructions here, and then here's the watch band. A little pull tab here to help you get this out. And there we go. Let's set that to the side. So I did try on one of these at an Apple store a few months ago to make sure I get the right size. There are ways to figure out your size online. They have a little measurement tool, but this is very stretchy. The one that I would have recommended for me was a little loose when I tried it on at the Apple store, so I went one size smaller. So this is the 8 for the 44mm version, and let's put this on. And right now I got the Nike Apple Watch band that came with my Series 4 when I got this a couple years ago. It's always super nice and easy to put new bands on here. And then it just slides right on like that. And I'm assuming this will stretch out a little bit over time and get a little looser, but right now it's nice and snug, and I'll keep you updated on how it does over time. But this is super comfortable, guys. If you guys have an Apple Watch band and you guys are interested in this, I highly recommend getting it. It is very comfortable and very stretchy too. Anyways guys, that was a quick unboxing of the Apple Watch braided sport loop. I hope you guys enjoyed it and liked this video. If you did, make sure to smash that like button, and also make sure to subscribe my channel if you guys are new here. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!